These are my Redline finds from last week's toy show. I got 3 TNT Birds here, and then a couple cruisers, and a couple other spoilers. They're more for parts or restoration. They're pretty tough. Anyways, this is the first TNT Bird. This is the first one of my collection anyway. The only one I had before last weekend's toy show. It's a good filler. This really got me into collecting Redlines here, because all the other spoilers are cool, but I love Thunderbirds. And this is great casting. So anyways, this is the first one I got. Pretty nice blue one here, a white interior. Looks like the front rivet was, like the cap of the rivet was broke. So, it's a little loose. Real nice car though. And I got 2 green ones here. The first one has a brown interior. The second one here, this one's real nice. Got a bunch of stickers on it too. The wheels are real clean. It's got a white interior. Got 2 green ones, 2 different color interiors. And my one I had before. So I have 4. And this is the beater I picked up. And that is a weekly tornado siren, if you can hear that. Every Wednesday at 10 o'clock it goes off. Should have planned ahead about that. So anyways, this one needs wheels. Window's still good. Interior is good. So this I'll probably restore. Then we got this heavy Chevy here. Missing a back wheel. The A-pillar is a little bent. It's probably another good candidate for restoration. Then I got 3 cruisers here. This one's kid painted. It was originally red, and they repainted it red. This one I might need a new interior. All 3 of these are pretty rough, so it's either donor parts or restoration. This one, I'm not sure what's all over it. If it's flour or sand or what. This one is rough. At least the glass anyway. And finally, this also used to be a fire chief car, but painted it red, or black and white. You can still see the red paint. So I'll definitely need some new glass and a new light cap. So anyways, those are my Redline finds. I'll have another video up of my error finds. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.